Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's Adda. Champions League final, a big match, PSG versus Bayern Munich. Before starting the video, I request you all to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification on time. Guys, as you all know, Sevilla have secured their place in next season Champions League after 3-2 victory over the Inter Milan in Europa League final. Now let's talk about Champions League final at Lisbon, Portugal on Sunday night 12:30 Indian Standard Time. The match will be broadcasted on Sony 10.2 and Sony 6 channels. Through Sony Live mobile app, you could have live streaming of this match. Let's look at the stat for both teams in Champions League. Paris Saint-Germain, PSG, whose UEFA ranking is 7. This is PSG's first ever Champions League final, courtesy of a deserved victory over RB Leipzig in semi-final. PSG is now becoming the 41st team to reach the Champions League final, including European Cup final. Interestingly, the last 6 teams competing in their first final have all lost, with the last first-time final winner was Borussia Dortmund in the year 1996-7. In other hand, Bayern Munich, whose UEFA ranking is 2, has already proved themselves several times in Champions League final. Bayern Munich has appeared 11 times in Champions League final including this season, just behind of Real Madrid, who reached final for 16 times. Bayern Munich has got 5 titles after Real Madrid has 13, AC Milan has 7 and Liverpool has 6. Guys, PSG has scored total 25 goals in this season, with top scorers Mbappe and Icardi with 5 goals each, whereas Bayern Munich scored total 42 goals in 10 matches in this season, out of which they have scored 8 goals against Barcelona, who has a record for most goals by a team in a single Champions League season. Total 45 goals in 1999-2000 season, although they have played total 16 matches in that season. Top scorer Lewandowski from Bayern Munich scored total 14 goals, tied for the 4th maximum goals with Lionel Messi in a single season. Guys, Cristiano Ronaldo as usual is holding first, 2nd as well as 3rd place, being a top scorer in Champions League. He has scored 17 goals in 2013-14 season, 16 in 2015-16 and 15 in 2017-18. Incredible, what a player, man. So Lewandowski needs a hat-trick in final to reach at Ronaldo's record. Can Lewandowski break Ronaldo's record? What do you think, guys? Yes, of course it is difficult, but he has potential, I think. It is pretty clear looking at the stat, Bayern is obviously favorite in Champions League final over PSG. But don't underestimate PSG, guys. They can beat Bayern Munich with their trio Di Maria, Neymar and Mbappe. They all are in good form. Now let's talk about key players and my playing 11 for both the teams. First, I would like to talk about Bayern Munich. At goalkeeper position, Manuel Neuer will be there, as I don't know their second goalkeeper's name. Jokes apart. At defense, I would prefer Benjamin Pavard at right back, as he is in good form and he might know a bit more about Mbappe, considering that they are teammates for France. Jerome Boateng at centre back for his experience, considering Nicolas Sule on bench as he has recently recovered from his injury. Alaba and Davies will be unchanged as central and left back position. I would prefer Kimmich as my central midfielder. Guys, keep an eye on him. He's a very talented player. He can play everywhere in the field. I hope you remember his outstanding performance at central back position earlier this season. I think he would be one of the key players for Bayern Munich in Champions League final this season. My another midfielder would be Leon Goretzka, considering Thiago on the bench. Guys, at left winger position, I would prefer Kingsley Coman over Ivan Perisic, as Coman has terrific speed and defensive mind which Bayern can use both for wing attack as well as strengthen their defense. Then in attack, Gnabry, Müller and Lewandowski will be unchanged in their place. Now look at the PSG's playing 11, guys. Obviously Navas will be the first choice as PSG's goalkeeper, but all depends on his injuries updates. Otherwise Sergio Rico will be there at goalkeeper position. Kehrer, Thiago Silva, Kipembe and Burnham will be unchanged at PSG's defense. Leandro Paredes looks the most likely to make way for bench if Marco Verratti would be in starting role, depending upon his 100% fitness. Idrissa Gueye could provide more competition for midfield position if he overcomes his injury, which kept him on the bench for the semi-final. Otherwise, Marquinhos would start in playing 11. Di Maria, Neymar, Mbappe and Mario Icardi, I would prefer 4 of them, which will create a strong attack for PSG. Looking at PSG's defense, PSG should rely on scoring early at least 2 goals could make them winner of the Champions League for the first time. And guys, Di Maria could be the key player for PSG. Friends, I know many of you are Bayern Munich supporters and consider Bayern Munich as finals favorite. but I would like to prefer PSG will win the Champions League final for the first time, and my final prediction is 3-2 to PSG. Guys, what will be your final prediction and who are all you would like to see in playing 11 for both the teams? Please give your comments and share your views. That's all for today, friends. If you like my video, do like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more football videos. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video.